Start with purpose. Define whether the gate is primarily decorative, for privacy, or for security. A primarily decorative gate can be lighter, use delicate patterns, and emphasize proportion and silhouette. A privacy gate needs solid panels or closely spaced slats. A security gate requires heavier gauge steel, reinforced posts, and locks or electronic access. Clarifying purpose early saves time and narrows material and hardware choices. Choose materials with climate and maintenance in mind. Wrought iron and mild steel allow ornate work but need protective coatings, hot dip galvanizing, primer and paint, or powder coat to resist rust. Corten-steel offers a self-protecting patina but can stain nearby paving from runoff. Aluminum resists corrosion and is lighter, good for coastal sites, but is less suitable when heavy. Forged detailing is desired. When combining metal with wood, use rot-resistant species and detail so water doesn't sit against metal connections. Consider scale and sight lines. Match the gate's scale to your home and approach path. Tall, solid gates suit grand entries. A modest single leaf fits smaller houses. Decide how much the gate should reveal. Slatted or laser-cut patterns offer glimpses and create visual interest. Solid panels give privacy and buffer noise. For garden gates, lower heights that allow a view into the garden invite exploration, while arched tops or trellises guide the eye upward and support climbing plants. Personalize the details. Ornamentation defines character, scrollwork and finials for traditional charm, clean planes and perforations for modern simplicity. Integrate subtle personalization such as house numbers, a name, or a crest into a laser-cut panel or plate. Lighting amplifies the design at night. Consider uplighting the gate posts or backlighting a patterned panel to make the gate both beautiful and safe after dark. Plan for durability and installation. Proper installation. Solid footings, stainless or galvanized fixings, and hinges rated for the gate's weight prevents sagging and premature wear. Think about replaceable elements like wooden slats or decorative panels so repairs are easier later. Ask your fabricator about recommended finish warranties and a maintenance schedule. Painted iron needs periodic touch-ups, corten requires consideration for runoff, and aluminum generally needs the least upkeep. Thank you for watching.